In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Quick Heal if you're getting frequent pop-ups, alerts, or on-screen notifications from Quick Heal, and you want a quieter experience. This process is very simple. Quick Heal includes built-in options designed to reduce interruptions, especially when you're working, watching something, or using your computer without wanting constant alerts in the background. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to enable so those notifications are turned off. To begin, open Quick Heal on your computer. Make sure the main dashboard is fully loaded so you can clearly see the menu options available. If the program takes a few seconds to open, just wait until everything appears properly before moving on. This helps ensure you don't miss the settings you need. Once Quick Heal is open, look for the Performance section. This area usually contains tools that help optimize how the software behaves while you're using your device. Inside Performance, find the option called DND mode. DND stands for Do Not Disturb, and this setting is meant to reduce interruptions while you're busy with other tasks. Go ahead and open that section. Now turn DND mode on. Enabling this setting tells Quick Heal to limit its notifications while you're using your system. This is especially useful if you want fewer distractions during work, meetings, gaming, or media playback. After switching it on, Quick Heal should already become less intrusive. Next, turn silent mode on. This is the key setting if you want to block notifications and alerts permanently. Silent mode is designed to suppress Quick Heal messages more completely, so once this is enabled, the software will stop showing the usual alerts and pop-ups that many users find distracting. Make sure the toggle or switch is clearly set to on before you close the window. After both DND mode and silent mode are enabled, your Quick Heal notifications should be effectively turned off. If you still notice alerts afterward, take a moment to double-check that both settings remained enabled and were properly saved inside the program. In some cases, reopening the setting can help confirm everything is active. That's all you need to do. Open Quick Heal, go to Performance, enter DND mode, switch DND mode on, and then turn silent mode on to block notifications and alerts permanently. With those settings enabled, Quick Heal should stay much quieter while still running in the background.